Welcome to Linux Help. Security Group in AWS. A security group acts as a virtual firewall for your EC2 instances to control incoming and outgoing traffic. If you don't specify a security group, Amazon EC2 uses the default security group. You can add rules to each security group that allow traffic to or from its associated instances. In this tutorial, we will see about how to create a security group for EC2 instance and uses of inbound and outbound rules in EC2 instance. Let's go to the video. Log into your AWS account. This is the management console of AWS. In here, select EC2. Go to instance. Click launch instance. In here, I am selecting Amazon Linux machine. This instance type is a free tier. This is using for learning purpose. Click configure instance details. These things we will see later. I will explain later. Add tags. Configure security group. In here, I am creating new security group. Description. This is the default rule. In here, we can change whatever the rule you need. The type is SSH, protocol TCP, port range 22 default port, source custom. In here, I am selecting 0.0.0.0. This is known as anywhere. We can use from my IP also. This will take local public IP. Once completed, review and launch. Click launch. I am choosing existing key pair. Check this box. Click launch instance. Instance were launched. We can view the instance by clicking here. Next, I am going to connect this instance to Linux machine. Click here. Click connect. This is the Amazon Linux machine. Switch over to root user. In here, I am going to install web server. Type the following command. Once installation completed, start the web server by using following command. Next, enable the web server. This web server, create a folder. In here, I'm going to create a HTML file. In this file, I'm going to write something. Welcome to Linux Help. Once completed, save and quit the file. After that, go to console. This is the public IP for this instance. We can check in browser, copy any one of these links. It will not work because in here we need to configure inbound rules. For that, go to console. In here, go to security. We need to edit inbound rules. Click this link. There is only default inbound rules as a search type, but we need to add a rule HTTP. To add an inbound rule, click edit, add rule. In here, select HTTP. Once completed, save the rules. After that, go to browser, reload the page. It will show the index page. Next, we will see about outbound rules. In outbound rules, this is the default outbound rules. The outbound rules is always in all traffic. Let's see what happens if we delete these outbound rules. I had deleted the outbound rules. Save the rules. It will work inside the server. I am checking the outbound rules by installing MySQL. It will give the mirror error. Next, I am going to add the outbound rules. All traffic. Save the rules. In here, click 0.0.0. Save the rules. Now check in terminal. It will ask for the download. Give yes. And now it is downloading. If there is no outbound rules, it will work inside the server, but we cannot access outside the server. With this method, creation of security groups with using inbound and outbound rules comes with end. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. To watch more tutorial, visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.